This is not for the cold. This is not this other shit. I said, you died there quick. Within 5 minutes. You go.
She said she want to get down. What happened?
I came in here to get my own stuff. Y'all got stuff to get. I got stuff to get.
Oh, you got the jacket stuff over here.
You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger, man. Today, we got an Airbnb because my family coming down soon. They got like 4 hours left, but yeah, they coming down to shitty-ass Missouri. It's crazy, though, because it's snowing. It's like -2 degrees. And as you see, weather. Shit, dog shit. But it's Missouri. I don't like this shit. I'm from Florida. I love the heat. This shit, definitely not it. But I'm gonna see how the Airbnb. Alright, man, so we just got to the Airbnb, man. I'm gonna show y'all around. Alright. Got a couch. It's so nice, man. I might have a house like this. Christmas tree, a TV, fireplace, clock, a dresser, you know what I'm saying? What's in here? A garage. Put your car in. It's on 69 here. It's a little bathroom. So, got a kitchen. Straight. Got outside. I ain't gonna go out there, but it's cold as hell. See everything outside. Got this one. Oh, it's kind of nice. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. Got one of the rooms. Big bed. Nice TV. Nice little bathroom. Nice little closet. Oh. Then you got upstairs. Got another little closet. Got another bedroom. No TV though. Got another little bathroom. And you got another little room. You know what I'm saying? Straight. So yeah, man, that's really it. I'm gonna hit y'all up when I see my family. Say, man, they finally arrived. It's about like 8 o'clock, man. Tired. Took a nap. Waiting on them. Oh, should be.
Child. Ain't no child.
So, man, Man, we just got to Walmart. Amber, where you going? Man, look. My mama done left us.
I almost did slip.
Shiesty. Why you love? She left fast. In a way. It's cold.
No, I feel much better in here.
That's that -6. What we here for?
You want to push that button?
Or this one?
Wait. What's up, Tom?
I said, stay right out here for 10 minutes. You'll be dead out here, for real. I said, this is not for the cold. This is not this other shit. I said, you'll die out there quick. 5 minutes. You gonna
Put your basket.
She said she want to get down. What happened?
I came in here to get my own stuff. Y'all got stuff to get. I got stuff to get.
Oh, you better jacket stuff over here.
get your basket. They go to the one.
Honey, say what's up. Say what's up.
Say what's up, mommy.
And where you going? Oh,
Yeah, she don't want to shop with us.
nah, she said, fuck us.
Right.
Good. Lana, we going our own way. We going our own way.
Wait, no, I'm to get a basket.
You should hurry up.
This girl heavy as hell.
You say you want to walk? You want to walk? She said she want to walk, bro.
Actually, I'm gonna put her down anyway, because I'm about to wrap her up. Get off the blanket, girl.
Get your unicorn on it. It's cold. I ain't gonna lie. That wind, windy, immaculate. Shit crazy. Ain't nobody here though. Shit crazy. Yeah. Man, today was a long day. I had fun, really enjoyed it. It might be a short video, but you know, due to the weather and stuff, it's too damn cold to be outside. But we on it tonight. But man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for another banger. Stay blessed, stay safe. Until next time, peace.